Warning, do not keep watching unless you're ready to face the truth. Billions are lost yearly to corrosion and blind spots. Meet a true game changer, ACTi Anti-Corrosion Cameras. With 7 must-have features, this innovation is built for factories, seaports, and utility sites. Ready to upgrade your security? Let's begin with variety. ACTi offers bullet, dome, PTZ, and hemispheric cameras. Whether monitoring cranes, warehouses, or utility corridors, this flexibility means no more underperforming setups. Just the right camera, at the right spot. Next, durability. In salty or chemical-heavy areas, ACTi offers 3 or 10-year protection. Ideal for coastal ports or chemical plants, this reduces replacements and extends camera life. Industrial-grade strength that lasts. Let's talk clarity. ACTi captures up to 20 MP, revealing details like shipping labels, product flaws, or control panel switches. For investigations or audits, clarity equals control. Need reach? With 40x zoom, you can monitor factory gates, ship docks, or power towers in sharp detail, without physical inspection. Smart zoom, smart security. Darkness is no longer a threat. With 250m infrared range, ACTi covers outdoor yards, unlit areas, or blackout situations 24/7. Visibility you can count on. Speed meets detail. At 2 MP, ACTi records up to 120 frames per second, ideal for fast production lines or machinery zones. It captures what other cameras miss. Last but not least, Smart Patrol. ACTi's 8 MP PTZ cameras with 40x zoom cover vast sites using autocruise. Set paths, scan areas, and replace manual checks. Why ACTi over Axis? Simple, comparable or better specs at 30 to 50% less cost. System integrators gain margin. End users deploy more, for less. In mission-critical zones like factories and ports, ACTi delivers trusted protection without budget strain. Stop overpaying for surveillance. Choose ACTi Anti-Corrosion Cameras for unmatched clarity and durability. Whether facing salt, steam, or storms, get full control. Click now and discover smarter protection built for industrial extremes.